I work hard every day, I work hard every day,
Whoa, what is good, everybody on YouTube? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, Dorel, back again with another banger for you guys, man. Today, man, we got a custom for you guys. I know it's been a while since I've done a custom on the channel. You know what I'm saying? The more orders you guys give in, the more videos I can pump out. So get your orders in. Christmas is around the corner. And before you know it, it'll be Valentine's Day. So get your orders in. You know what I'm saying? Links down in the description below. Go follow all the socials. But yeah, man, today we're going to be getting into something for somebody. Real slight work for the day, man. Today we got this. Bang! This right here, man. We got this Jordan 1 in a, I want to say Miami Dolphins colorway, but I did something a little bit different by adding the gray right here. Blacked out the bottoms. These shoes were super beat. You guys are going to see, you know, before I go ahead and customize the other one for you guys, you're going to see how beat up it is. And yeah, man, I'm not going to take super long with this intro. Let's just get to it. Let's just get into it. Let's get brazy.
Hippie Beats.